Being a musician today takes way too much gear. Cables, pedals, amps, interfaces, it's overwhelming. That's why we built Nimbus, a 70-watt music studio in a box. Nimbus is a powerful smart amp that replaces all of that clutter with one device. It's an amp, audio interface, looper, and full effects processor that runs both Chaos Audio and third-party plugins. Whether you're practicing at home, performing live, or recording into your laptop, Nimbus gives you everything you need in one box. With 70 watts of stereo output and premium speakers, Nimbus sounds massive, but is super compact. It's under 12 pounds and easy to carry. Dual combo inputs let you plug in a guitar and a microphone, or 2 instruments at the same time. It's perfect for solo sets, duos, or singer-songwriters. No fixed signal paths, no limitations. Build your own effects rigs inside Nimbus with amps, effects, and impulse responses. Load AI amp models, swap plugins, and control every detail right from your phone. Nimbus is also a pro-grade audio interface. Just plug into your computer and record tracks instantly. No extra gear required. Nimbus isn't just an amp, it's a platform. With our open plugin ecosystem, you can expand your sound library forever. You're not locked into factory presets. You can create, share, and download new effects as the community grows. Nimbus is your all-in-one music studio. Practice, create, record, and perform without limits. It's powerful enough for professionals, yet simple enough for beginners. We've poured years into making Nimbus a reality, and now we need your help to bring it to musicians everywhere. Back this campaign today to be one of the first to own Nimbus and join us in shaping the future of music.